Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the reader and card fit. Check USB-A versus USB-C and the SD versus micro SD slot. Gently align the card with the slot label up or as marked, then push until it clicks. This ensures proper contact pins connect. If the card came from a camera, make sure the camera is powered off before removal to avoid file corruption. Once done, plug the reader into your computer's port firmly so the OS can detect the device. Once the reader is plugged in, you should see a mount notification or drive letter. If not, open File Explorer or Finder and look for the removable volume. You copy files by dragging or using copy/paste. Use move only if you're sure you no longer need originals. For large photo or video libraries, transfer in batches to reduce risk of transfer errors and to let the buffer clear. Make sure transfers finish fully before you proceed to unmount. To finish, always use the operating system's eject or safely remove option so cached writes complete. You can then physically remove the reader. If the card isn't recognized, try a different USB port or adapter, test the card in another reader, and check for visible damage. This isolates whether the reader, port, or card is at fault. If files appear corrupt, stop writing to the card and run a read-only recovery tool or restore from backup, because continued use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.